Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to pay your tuition fees? Today, I'm going to show you how to pay tuition fees through CIBC Bank. First of all, log into your CIBC online or mobile banking account. Then, go to Bill Payments and tap Add a Pay. Search for your school's name and select it as the pay. Enter your student number. This ensures your payment goes to the right account. Enter the amount due, review, and confirm. Payment may take a few business days to process. And that's it. Your tuition is paid through CIBC Bank. Study stress free. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.